Okay, we'll start with the Mustard R30 size 12 dry fly hook, and we've got some sheer 40 0 yellow. This is the yellow May, so we just attach our tying thread here and go back a wee ways, back there. Then we need some speckled light ginger coquetillion. We just take a little bunch of this, offer that up, and we just tack that in, correct my tying thread, and too long. Good, and we just go back a wee ways. Perfect, and then we go back up. To about there. We can lift the surplus and just trim that away. Then we need some, these are trout line dyed mallard drake flank. So we just prepare one for the Wally wing by pulling back the sides, and we have a little tube from a UV resin bottle. Put this in there, and we can pull the wing through until it's a little bigger than we need it, because we can always make the wing smaller but we can't make it larger. So and we just a couple of turns just to hold that in position, and then we can remove the tube, take all of the ends, and we can tie that in. Like so. Just check we're all good there. Yes. Then we can, don't want to cut the tail off. Trim off the surplus there, and then we can go back. Try and get a relatively even body here, underbody. It'll make excuse me, it'll make the underbody, the overbody nicer. Good. And we go back here, and we have a turkey quill, biot, should I say. And go back here, and just make our way up to the thorax, and hackle plier, and there. Move our thread out the way, and we'll wind our quill body. That's the wrong way. There we are. I gotcha. Got a little split in that quill there, but I think I can manage. Just strip it off. It happens. Go up there like that, and then we can just return our tying thread, take it around the back, and secure that. And we can just trim that away. Position our wings, put a stop wrap in underneath, and we can split. You only want to take 2 fibres, hold the centre stem, and we can split the wings out. Same again on this side. There we are. Good. And I can trim these off. Now the wings are a little bit too long here, but I can trim them down. Like I said earlier, it's easier to trim them down than start again. We just position these as to how we would like them. I'll wait until I've got the hackle on. Just want to build up here first at the front. We want a little bit of a sloping foundation of tying thread at the front, just to give the hackle something to go on. And we go back up here to there. I've got a yellow dyed grizzle hackle. I'm going to tie this in 90 degrees. Catch that in there now and fold over the stem. Oops, that was nearly done. And then we can just pull that down, trim that off and go forward. Good. And we can take our hackle, you can wind this as dense or as open as you like. Go in front there, move that forward. Pull that back. Go with finisher. Remove the hackle. Give it another quick whip finish. Remove the tying thread, and then I can just position the wings and we can trim them down to the correct size just by going in at the top there. One I got to get out there. There we go. And we'll trim that one down as well. Now I've taken 3 fibres off each wing, and that should be just enough. So there we have the finished yellow May done. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.